What's good, Justina? Back on this video. Oh, hey. How y'all do my mocha buzz? Guys, it's 8 in the morning. It's 8 in the morning. I know I be tired. I don't be getting up. I don't be getting up till like 10. 10 or something like that. How y'all doing, my babies? I hope y'all doing good today. You know, I am hungover. Very much hungover. Have y'all ever hit a gravity? Yeah, so I did last night after not doing that. Oh my gosh, since like my mom was still here. And when I tell you, it was like I had an edible. I was toe up, baby. I'm still toe up, and that was yesterday. Wait, can you see it? Kind of, not really. No, you can kind of see it. We're gonna just do that because okay. So how to talk her through it part 2. So I basically began like talk through it really well. So I basically just got stuff off the dome. I didn't even need to write nothing down today. Like I already like have it. Boom. Okay. So number 1. Now this is gonna drive her nuts because it drives me nuts. Again, I tell y'all stuff that drives me nuts. Stuff that I hear that I'm just like, like, did you really just say that? Like, okay, sorry. So, ooh. And you know, this is a new one. This is a new one that I heard. I've never heard this in my life. And when I tell you, it like stopped me in my tracks. When I did hear it, I was like, oh, okay, word. So shout out to Bay for helping me with this one. Okay, this is gonna heal you. Yeah, you gotta say that while, you know, she's on her stomach, you're behind her, in her ear, you know, just oh Lord Jesus. Okay, I'm fine. I'm okay. Oh my God, I'm fucking so up, guys. You see my eyes? Okay. But yes, this is gonna heal you. Now, she might cry. I ain't gonna hold you because when I heard that, I was like, what? Like, you talking to me? It's gonna heal me. It already is, baby. That sentence already low-key sent me into a psychosis, but that ain't the point, baby. That ain't the point. Okay. Number 2. Hold on, I'm sorry. I be giggling while I be saying this because I be having flashbacks sometimes. Okay. Y'all already know whose is this, right? Okay, but while you're, you know, doing it, you have to ask her, oh, like, whose is this? Like, make her say, like, it's yours. Now, again, guys, that's witchcraft. Y'all already know that's witchcraft. We already touched on that subject, but you know, it's okay. You know, low-key, all sex is witchcraft. You know, all of it, because you doing the bump, you know, like, y'all just in and saying stuff. And, like, now, if you really want to be toxic, right? Well, not toxic, like, if you want to stick out, because this isn't really toxic behavior. I guess it depends on your intentions with the young lady, you know, sorry. Get a mirror, make her look in it, and tell her, like, say you want me to get you pregnant. Now, so what happens is, right, that's a little bit of witchcraft because there's a mirror, you guys are looking at each other, and words are being exchanged while you are, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna lie, that is a little bit of witchcraft. Just a little bit, though. It's not a lot. It ain't that. No, it is a lot. Like, and then if you like finish, like, in, oh my God, that's like, just proceed with caution. You know, that's all I got to say. Proceed with caution, baby. That's the best advice that I got for you. Just proceed with caution. Because, you know, I told y'all, my advice comes with possible children. Possible babies. Because it's so early. It's 8 a.m. I'm taking a nap after this shit. And everything I love, I'm taking a nap after. Because I was nauseous when I woke up today. So, like, I wasn't in the mood. You know what I'm saying? So like if I'm nauseous and I don't feel good, like I try to just like get all my work done like in the beginning of the day. So then like the rest of the day I don't gotta do nothing but like, you know, die in peace. Because yeah. Okay. Let me see another thing. Ooh, another thing you can do. Okay, I'm like, this isn't really talking her through it, but it's hot. But it's hot. So like if y'all are getting nasty and y'all are drinking, you could spit a shot in her mouth. She loves that. And then look in her eyes and be like, swallow it. That's sex. No, that is kind of talking her through. Swallow it. That is also another talk her through it phrase you could use. Like, you know, when and you know, I don't gotta demonstrate, you already know. You could like hold her by her chin and like have like the back of her head and have her look up and just like swallow it. But I'm telling you, she might struggle though, because some people don't really like. I'll be telling y'all, spitters or quitters, don't do that. Don't be you better than that. Don't do that. But I love y'all so much. I'm nauseous and I'm gonna go drink some water and eat some food and cuddle and feel better. Hopefully, she's eating all loud in my ear and shit. She's so cute with her little nose. I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video.